about 15 minutes now, and I was wondering if you have any bites yet.
It's a tough day. Tough weather. Got one! Just a log.
Okay, I don't want to get whacked anymore.
Hey.
Goodbye.
Hook sets are free, guys.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Jackson. Okay, have you had any bites yet?
I think I just got one.
He had a bite. Let's watch. It's a log. Goodbye. Okay, I'm going to a different spot away from these fools because they are starting to kind of annoy me right now. So I'm just gonna find a different spot. Okay, I don't know how well you can see in the video. There's a little ledge right here, and that's what we were catching them on a week ago about. So I'm gonna see if we can catch something else right now. So I got snagged right on the ledge. Not my most memorable moment.
Oh, fancy seeing you here.
He's just messing around, kind of creeping me out. Stupid snag.
Video that snag.
I have been. Thank you so much for rubbing it in.
Get asked for that?
Hey! Like you haven't been snagged in your life. You creep. Well, as you've probably seen, I am snagged and kind of have to get into the water to get it. It's right on the ledge. So, yeah. Got it. Okay. Let's just stay here so I can see the ledge and try and cast. Folsom is where we're at right now. We're at Rattlesnake Bar. It's been getting pretty hard because water has been rising a lot. So it's new structure for the fish. So I think I might have gotten snagged again. Like a snag king today or something. That actually might have been a fish. No, it was just weeds. What we can see. But it's been pretty hard fishing it because of the water rising, so it's a bunch of new spots for the fish that I haven't seen in a while. Thank you, Jay. My brother actually just saying nice and grabbed me my pole. So, yeah, it's just been difficult. It's a little easier on the boat because you can find structure and stuff like that, but mostly it's just been hard. And we're working on getting our GoPro up and running again. So, forgive me if the video footage is a little shaky because it's being filmed with my phone. And I have no holder for it. So, basically, yeah. But there is a wide variety of fish types in Folsom. There's so many that I don't even know half of them. Like there's largemouth and smallmouth, but you also got spots. You can also catch some salmon and trout here. if you know where to find them, like at the dam, which is on the other side of the lake, kind of. But, yeah, it's just difficult. Probably say that a million times. You're probably getting annoying. It's probably making you kind of annoyed. But, yeah. The main place that we've been hitting them so far is around trees and just off like ledges on clay banks, as you saw earlier in the video, which was just kind of like a sheer drop-off ledge. But we've also been fishing like little ponds here and there around Loomis and Rockland and basically Placer County. We've just been kind of flying everywhere. Well, not flying, driving everywhere, just finding places to fish. But yeah, it's just difficult. There's so many places, like there's coves, trees, there's like rocks and rock piles. Like literally straight out ahead, like where my fishing pole's pointing right now, there was like this giant ledge of rock that people used to bring their goats and dogs. Yeah, it's the goats. And the goats would literally like be jumping around it. So we're gonna try, next time we go out fishing on the boat, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be trying to hit the ledge. Yeah, I'm gonna try and follow my brother and my dad. Okay. Looks like my dad has first fished us, my brother and I. Which is code word for his language that it fights hard.
You guys have to call this a bass whack.
Bass whack was invented by my dad. Basically, think it was invented by my dad because when my friend came on the boat.
Patent pending.
Yeah, patent pending. But when my friend came on the boat, he basically was always pouty and didn't like touching fish. Yeah, I didn't want to touch the fish. So basically, my dad took the fish, whatever he caught, as long as he didn't catch it on treble hooks, and whacked him with it. It was always pretty funny, but yeah.
It's kind of my thing. That's what I do.
Well, I am no longer skunked. Jackson's the only one who's still skunked today.
But have the most bites.
Yeah, Jackson's had the most bites. That's the first bite for me today. It's a little guy, so it barely even counts as a fish, really. Really? It's actually gonna eat my brother's head. No, it's okay. But the skunk is out of the boat for me.
There's no boat, jackass.
Okay, Dad. Tell me about that fish you just missed.
Oh, shut up, Quincy. What's that fish you just missed?
I don't feel too good about losing a fish. I really don't like being recorded on losing a fish. He was bigger than I thought he was.
Tell him.
And I was nervous being filmed.
You just messed around, I think.
Dead serious.
Just serious. Nice that. Okay. Okay, right now, my brother has no fish so far, but I'm still hoping that he'll get one. I have one fish that barely counts as a fish, and my dad has a fish that's way bigger than my fish. Do you have two fish, Dad? You have two? Never mind, he has two fish. I must have missed one. But that one he broke off was pretty big, maybe 2 pounders, 2 pounds, 2 pounders. But basically, that's gonna be one of the biggest fish we've caught at Folsom recently. The biggest fish we caught at Folsom was close to like 6 pounds-ish on the boat. Right, Dad? At Folsom. But we've heard stories of like people catching like really big fish, like 15 pounders maybe. We know they're in here, but they're just elusive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any ways to fix our videos to make them better, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.